They are for UN, and that's where they've been taken. They're brand new. UN uses brand new cars. Wow. Wow. UN uses brand new cars. Wow. Almost. So I am currently around Nakawa, and yeah, I'm going to be showing you the Nakawa Road updates. The construction updates is what I'm going to be showing you. So I just wanted to start from here, show you that they put something around here. This is an island, that's what I will call it. It separates the two traffics, the one flowing towards the city and the one flowing towards eastern Uganda. So around here, this is where I'm going to start from. And from here you can see the city. Let me try to zoom in. Around there, that's where it is. So remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm turning from around here and take you to the other areas. I show you what is happening. The works are not yet perfect. That's all I will say. Yes, they are still working. The construction of the road are still going on. That's all I can say, because they are not yet done. Yeah, I want to find somewhere to cross from around here. And the construction is still going on. I'm crossing from right here. So this is how it looks like around here. And I've put some traffic lights as well. They're still putting more around here. So I'm going to cross from here. This is the road that takes you to the other side of Ntinda. Over there, Ntinda Naguru, over there. So I'm going to be crossing from somewhere here. So from this way, this is the road that takes to the side of Ntinda, and the other side, as I've told you, the city, and around here to the other parts. So they've put some traffic lights right somewhere here, but they haven't fully installed them, because there are some which are going to be here. So they are still working on them. And the road constructions are also, they're still working on the road. It's not yet perfect, but they can't be seen on site. Maybe one day, one time, they will finish it. Even this one here is a pole for traffic lights. They made it a little bit wide, because I remember where you see that car, that's where pedestrians used to walk from. So it was narrow around here. They made it a little bit wide. And the other side is the URA towers, Uganda Revenue Authority, the body that collects taxes on behalf of the government. The top layer was laid some time ago, and the drainage system hasn't been worked upon, but I think very soon they will work upon it. But these are so far 3 updates without the drainage system. And the road as well is not marked, but in perfect state. That's all I can say. What do you think of the project, guys? Drop a comment and let me know what your thoughts are. So there is no walkway for the pedestrians here. From down the other side, they had covered the drainage where they worked upon it. They covered it, and it looked like that's where the pedestrians would walk from. This side, it was filled with concrete. I remember these stones, it was very open. So when they had just put the stones and not yet put the final layers, the stones came from the other side and then filled up this thing. So it's entirely filled with stones. So no much progress. And according to my previous videos of projects, I think, yeah, I'm going to do away with project updates, because man, it's almost the same thing every day. So like you see here, it was deep and then filled with stones. The other side, it's all leveled. So there are going to be traffic lights here as well. That is the pole. And this drainage channel is not worked upon, so they stopped around here because they saw it was matching, and this is where they stopped, around here. From here towards down, it is very okay. The pavers were put by the Bond Future Holdings. This place was left untarmacked. So let's continue moving downwards. Hopefully you've liked the video. Subscribe to the channel as well. So this is what I was saying, like covering the drainage channel to act as walkways just up there where we've passed. This is what they did here. The other side, it was left not worked upon. The gravel or the stones that fell into it during construction was not removed. And even on this junction, they are going to be putting traffic lights. That simply means the work of the traffic police officers here will be no more. They will be put somewhere else. You see? So let's stand here for a bit. Just right here. And there is a truck carrying other cars. They're for UN Toyota Land Cruisers. Yeah, they're for UN, and that's where they've been taken. They're brand new. UN uses brand new cars. Wow. Almost. Almost knocked down. The cars coming from up are coming from the city and then heading towards eastern Uganda, down there. And the cars heading to this side, they're heading towards Ntinda. So this is also another road that takes you to Ntinda. Look at the skyline. Anyway, let's keep watching for a few minutes as we cross to this other side. So this is how it looks like around here. That is the kind of tarmac that is here. So that is it. And right, this place was also left. Maybe it will be plastered. If not, they'll plant some flowers. But it's also here, and it's like they left the site some time ago. No one on site. So people are going home, that's why they're beside the road. more cars than the Land Cruiser. Those are 6. And the car carrying them, or the truck carrying them in front, it has gotten a UN card inside. That simply means they belong to the UN. So this is where people wait for taxis from, as well as buses, but it's mostly taxis, because buses leave the taxi park after they have fully loaded. And right here, this is where we have Spear Motors. They import cars ranging from mostly the Jeep, they do the Fuso, they do the Mercedes-Benz, mostly German cars. So those are their workshops. When the cars are brought in, that's where they fix them, those that have gotten problems from, and then to the showroom. So for this side, it's a bit different. They put some guards for the pedestrians, and then the walkway is worked upon very well. A bit, but you can as well clearly see that it was put later after each and everything was fixed. They cut and then put it. It wasn't initially planned. And this other side, they left the soil the way it was. No grasses planted. These ones are just normal grasses that grew by themselves. Remember, I told you that each and every soil here you get, it has some seeds in it. The soil has some seeds in it. You may not know which seeds they are, but if you put it somewhere, give it good conditions, you will see them growing. So this side, the road is coming from eastern Uganda. That is the sides of Chireka, the sides of Bweyogerere, the sides of Mukono, and many others. So this is where we are at the moment. They're also planning, so that is the showroom. I only see only one car and a toy car. This is where they're going to be putting traffic lights. The poles are already in place. They're going to be putting traffic lights. The officials are very busy at the moment. They're very busy at the moment. So this other side, this hill is Mbuya, and you can see no people there. And URA towers are here, just right here. So I'm turning around from here, then go back to the junction. Meanwhile, the sun is also setting. So this is where Spear Motors Limited is. And their motto says, driving you into the future. The Benz, the Jeep, the Fuso, they have different special brands in that way. I think I should find my way through. Woo! Look at this. So this is how here looks like. No drainage at the moment, but the drainage of the other side was completed. So we are back. This place would have looked more beautiful with some beautiful grasses or flowers. Thank you for watching to this very end. Please continue watching until the very end of the video. I'm out.